We're now going to go over the non-lawyer disclosure. A non-lawyer disclosure is traditionally something that you want to put into rental. And a non-lawyer disclosure, basically what it says is that it states that as the realtor for this transaction, you are not permitted to give legal advice. You are not part of the Florida bar, and therefore you are not able to advise or give them any counsel. It also reiterates the fact that even though we created a contract, that we are not able to fill out any of the contract or alter any of the contract or cross out any of the contract because we are not attorneys. Another part that's really important is that it reiterates that the landlord and or the tenant can read and write in English. More importantly, that they understand what's on the contract. So you want to make sure that this section is initialed and clicked on. And also, if it is not the case, if they do not speak English, you want to make sure that they state that they do not speak English and that someone in particular has translated it. You want to make sure that is not you, and that if they need legal counsel, they should hire an attorney. Great opportunity for you to reach out to Title Now, as they have an in-house attorney and they can help you out with that. You also want to make sure that you sign this and the landlord or the tenant or both sign it also. Again, this is the non-lawyer disclosure form. It is a great way of protecting yourself when working with international clients, that they don't come back and say, oh, I didn't understand that in the contract because English is not my first language. You want to make sure that you reiterate the fact that it is important for them to understand the contract and that they can go ahead and seek counsel from an attorney.